So this is a new line from IMEX, and this is their basically starter level RC. And these are just fun little cars. But again, they're designed and engineered by IMEX for IMEX, okay? You could buy these at Amazon or Facebook, but the quality is different. I want to make that very clear. When you're buying from ProTinkerToys.com, you're buying a higher quality product, American owned and American backed, okay? And this is basically just a great starter kit, okay? You basically get your tools, you get some obstacles to play with, you get your hand throttle, okay? Now what's cool about this, there's 2 speeds. You have high speed and low speed. That means your car can go super fast or super slow, okay? Now, most of these cars have enough power in them. Sometimes the batteries are already connected, but obviously this one, we have to screw together or plug in the plug port. See right there? So we're gonna plug this in. These are just little mini batteries, micro batteries, okay? See, there's usually enough battery in all these RCs for about 5 minutes of racing. And I shouldn't be doing this without my glasses on because I'm really blind without my reading glasses. Okay, so we've got that plugged in. We put that in here like this. It's a micro battery. And we're gonna plop that in there. We're gonna plop this in here. Okay, and then we're gonna... Now here's what's really cool about these mini things. Okay, number one, you got lights. So you have a light thing in them, so at night you can be racing them. And they have what they call low and high speed. Okay, so that's low speed. Now watch, or that's high speed, then this is low speed. Or no, that's high speed, and that's low speed. And these are just fun RC cars for just running around the house, just having fun, okay? And having just a fun time. Then you can go into turbo mode, see that? And then you can go to regular mode. See how slow it moves? That's what's really cool about these is the 2 speeds. You have the junior and then the fast. Okay, plus you have the light. See there, the light right there? See the little light, the little LED? There's an LED right in the middle of it. See that? LED. That is super fast. Holy cow. Micro Warrior, that's right. And there's 4 different styles. Okay, you got this one. You have almost one that looks like a Tesla truck. And then you have 2 other just standard RV car or off-road cars. There's 4 versions of them. Check them out at ProTinkerToys.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell because we are your RC headquarters. Along with everything else.